Hello everyone, this is Padarwin. Today going to take your class on conditional clauses. जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं हर लाइफ में हर जगह पे कंडीशन आते हैं और इंग्लिश में आप अच्छे बोलने के लिए आपको भी एक कंडीशनल क्लॉजेस की जरूरत है। तो इसके बारे में हम लोग अभी सीखेंगे बहुत अच्छे से। प्लीज कीप फॉलोइंग ऑल नोट्स और जो भी कोई भी क्वेश्चंस आ गया यू कैन रेज इट एंड यू कैन लेट मी नो सो दैट आई कैन क्लियर इट वंस अगेन. So yeah, end of the video, you'll get my phone number. That also you can connect me. So now you focus here to go to another slide. Here we go. So we are going to study about if clauses. Yes. If sentences में हम day to day life में we come across with different kind of conditionals and this conditional are very important for us to improve English communication skill. एक short and brief ideas में दूंगा. So I want all of you to pay attention and try to know more about it. So here you see यहाँ पे कुछ sentences हैं but one by one we'll discuss about it beautifully. Okay, first of all I want all of you to understand कि यहाँ पे जो चीजें हैं जैसा कि आपका if clauses के साथ. So if clauses में आपको किस तरह से ये help करेगा. Fine. So here we are going to discuss much more about it so that you can understand it. पहला चीज यहाँ पे देखते हैं this one. All right, we'll focus on this one. Okay. So here you notice that if I have money, notice here I'm talking about if I have money. This is called for first clause, and in this clause you notice that we have present tense. All right, have is a present verb. All right, okay. So if I have money, so here I will, notice will, here I will, then present verb, buy a new car today. यदि मेरे पास पैसा है तो मैं न्यू कार खरीदूंगा आज ही. Fine. So here it is in a real sense someone is speaking, not in unreal conditions, unreal way. Now notice that if I had money, यदि मेरे पास पैसा होता, if I had money, first clause in the past tense and the second also would be in the past. I would buy a new car today. This is a formula. So ये यहाँ पे had है इसलिए यहाँ पे would लग गया will के जगह पे. ये have है इसलिए यहाँ पे will आ गया. All right. So if I had studied well, ये देखिए had के साथ V3 फॉर्म है, had studied, ये past perfect tense है. All right. So if I had money, if I had studied well, यदि मैं अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर लेता, I could have got 100%, मैं 100% ले आता. Fine. This is the idea that we need to understand about it. If I had thought of it, यदि मैं इसके ऊपर सोचता पहले, I would have called him up. Yes, उनको मैं call कर देता. Right. So now if I did this job, यहाँ पे देखिए if I did this job, यदि मैं ये job करता हूँ, right, यानी ये did ये आप नहीं करेंगे, unreal form में है. I would make lots of money, मैं बहुत सारा पैसा बना लेता. If I do this job, यदि मैं ये job करता हूँ, I will make lots of money, मैं बहुत सारा पैसा कर लूंगा. So ये real form है या unreal form में है. If you paint here, it absorbs color soon. So ये factual points हैं. If you have any factual notes, so you can go by these techniques. And यहाँ पे देखिए if I was और were दोनों same हैं. Was एक British English है, war एक American English है. If I was or were a bird, I would fly in the sky. मैं आसमान पे उड़ लेता हूँ. Right? So this is the tricks and the techniques. I want you to use it so that you can use English effectively. So यहाँ पे जो भी चीज़ आपको सीखना है, so you have to learn in such a way that is truly going to help you a lot and you can really spend quality time here. So you can really understand the tricks and techniques. So यहाँ पे हम लोग पहला चीज़ देखेंगे, यहाँ पे have के फॉर्म में, यहाँ पे had के फॉर्म में, यहाँ पे had studied के वे में जाएंगे, had thought के वे में जाएंगे, यहाँ पे did के वे में जाएंगे, यहाँ पे do में नोटिस करेंगे, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट फॉर पेंट आ गया, यहाँ पे was और were के साथ आ गए. So this is the tricks that we are going to apply here systematically. Hope you have already enjoyed these sessions. So let me take you to another slide. मैं दूसरे slide में आपको लेके जाता हूँ, which is truly going to give you a very nice shape. Fine. So now, before that, let me erase this one. इसको मैं इरेज कर देता हूँ. I should not keep it. So how you can practice this one? The best way to have your practice is speak up and do practice. इसको बोल बोल के आपको सीखना होगा. Find out situations and use phrases. Situation को पकड़ो और phrase को use करो. Then create many sentences about it. और बहुत सारा sentence बनाओ, तब आपका communication in real and unreal would be fantastic. So in that way you can really learn it effectively. These are tricks that I want to share with all of you. All right. So this is the idea that I hope you can do better in this idea. So thank you. This is my number. mainstayabroad.com is our website. Play Store है. आप जाके उसमें mainstay abroad का application download कर सकते हैं. This is a small idea I really wanted to provide you. My intention is to teach you and give you very nice ideas. तो इसके साथ जुड़े रहिए और बहुत सारा knowledge gain करते रहिए. Thank you. All the best.